Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, and I just want to update you on what I'm doing. I got an Aerogarden, and this Aerogarden will grow in your house your plants and herbs. And the only thing that I don't like about it, I've had it for 12 days, is the fact that this light is on all day long. I have it programmed to go on at, I think it's 7:30 in the morning until 9:30 at night. And believe me, after having this light, I had to move this. I had it like next to my TV. No, it was too bright. I couldn't handle it. So I moved it into my kitchen, on my kitchen counter on the edge. And then I hang a black curtain around it from the cupboard. So I don't see this light continuous all day long. Needless to say, I cannot fall asleep until after 9:30 because of the fact that the light is still on. Okay, I started with my herbs, and that is my romaine. It sprouts in 1 to 7 days. It sprouted right away. The pepper just came up. That's the basil in the corner. It's doing good. And I also have the chives. Parsley, romaine, a tomato, and more parsley. Oh, and also some thyme. Once they get to the top of these little plastic covers, like a little greenhouse, you take that off so it can spread out and grow. Right now the water is medium, and it says to keep it full, so I'm going to add more water today, and it tells me. It also gives me some information saying to register and what should be growing. It gives you some information daily. And it's all preset, so that's pretty cool. This is the Bounty Basic. Because I was having problems with a new neighbor that was literally trying to ruin my plants by watering them and drowning them in water when I wasn't watching and not around. Yes, I've reported her to management, and they are handling it, but oh my God, what a nightmare. I lost my plants, most of my plants. I'm still growing my potatoes. My tomatoes just ended. I've had them since October. I've got peppers outside, and also on the inside I am growing parsley, a pepper. He's doing so good. He's so beautiful. This is squash. And then I just started a cucumber. My cucumber's having a hard time. I'm going to cover this in cloth as soon as I know that my neighbor has moved out, and then set it out on my balcony so it gets more light. I'm also growing grass for my dog, and I have no idea what these are, remember, if you've been watching me. My turmeric, and then I'm trying to grow my celery. It hasn't come up yet. So, outside my plants are still doing good. Potatoes, walking onions. I've also got lettuce. And then I will plant more once I know this neighbor has moved out. Yes, it's been horrible. I've been losing my hair, and I've had a cold for 2 months. I just started immune vitamins to get better. And the good news is, this little guy, he's doing wonderful. So we miss you, and we hope to see you all soon. Lots of love and kisses. Stay safe.